Step 3. Mounting the AVF-1. Initial setup. First, loosen the two front screws. Then, pull out the screws as far as possible. They have lock washers, so they will not come out all the way. Next, slide the cover down and pull out from the bottom. Using the supplied red cord, hang the AVF-1 on the SIP to avoid accidentally dropping it. Now mount the AVF-1 on the SIP. Please note that the mounting pegs are keyed, so the AVF-1 can only be mounted in one direction. Once the AVF-1 is mounted on the SIP, peel the protective plastic from the area template. Insert the area template into the AVF-1 with the arrow pointing up. Adjust the horizontal angle of the SIP in order to cover the far sensor area that needs protection. Please keep in mind any false alarm possibilities such as vegetation or any object constantly moving. Then, using the center circle of the AVF-1, find the center point of the far area. Step 4. Check far sensor area edge. Mark the center far zone edge with a cone or have someone stand at that point. Then mark the right far zone edge and the left far zone edge. Lastly, using the AVF-1, find the center point of the far detection area and use a measuring wheel to that point. In this example, the SIP 3020 maximum distance is 100 feet. To ensure that you cover the far edges of the detection zone, use your measuring wheel and start from the center point and go 33 feet to the right. For the left far zone edge, measure from the center point and go left 33 feet. With the SIP 3020, the total width is 66 feet. Step 5. Fine angle adjustment. While looking through the AVF-1, adjust the vertical and horizontal angle of the SIP to center the far area in the area template. In doing so, you will get the position of the person located in the farthest detection area.